So for activity 10F, I have used the previous activity file and I created a query. So in this query, you're asked, try to skimming the question first. After skimming, try to check what fields you're going to need. So obviously here everything is related with the boat table. So you're going to need fields like make, type, price, and year. And by the way, here it's going to be only a query. You don't need to create any report. So the first part, it's asking you to create a boat of a specified type. So first of all, let's go and create the query. So I have already created the query and I added the fields that I need. So the first one, make, type, price, year, get a man. So the first question was, we need to specify type. They did not give us any specific type, so I don't need to type here the type of the boat, which is power or something. So they told us just to. So if let's run it without. So you can see we have different types of boats, like around 3. Over here, we're just going to add a dynamic parameter. That's it. And they're going to tell us to run it. Okay, it was a spelling issue. So you can see over here our boats with a specified type. Okay, so that's the first one related with this one. So over here in the second section, first section, they're telling you to do the query. Second section, they're telling you to put the specific type query in this field. So they're telling us to put the yacht. So let's run it and put yacht. And this is the first result. Second one, both of a specified type, same, but costing less or equal than a specified year. So you can see equal is inclusive, means it's going to be equal to, and that's why we're going to include that year as well. So for the second part, I added the same one. Same data will be added for the type, but for the price, we're going to put, it needs to be a parameter that to enter the maximum price, and it needs to be less than and equal to. So you're going to put a price, which is going to include for you all the less than that price and equal to that price. And okay, so what to enter in this criteria, you need to put power boats, and it's supposed to be 40,000 or less than 40,000. So let's put power boats and let's put 40,000 without the symbol. And as you can see, these are the results for the third one. So for the third one, we have boats again with a specified type after a specified year. So that's going to be larger than, and so type is going to be the same. For the year, it's going to be larger than, and then you can put your criteria or your message, which is enter the oldest year of the boat, for example. And over here, what is given to us, let's input yacht, and it needs to be after the year 2011. So we have yacht, and it is after 2011. You can see 2011 itself is included as well, and older than 2011. For the last part, which is catamans made in a specified year, if you look to the fourth part, let me open the boat table. You can see that catamans are either yes, true, or no. Either they're asking you, is it a type of cataman boat or not? So for that one, they're telling you they want it to be cataman, so you can put it true, or you can put it between the bracket, is it a cataman or no? But anyway, they give it to you as a cataman. And for this one, it's better to put it as a dynamic parameter. So it's going to be a specified year. It's not larger than or less than. No, we need that specific year. No need to put equal either. Just directly put the parameter, and you need to put the year. So for this, the parameters are going to be catamans. So that's going to be true. And it needs to be made in 2015. So if you run it, they're going to ask you only for the year. So that's the result for the last option. So this is for this activity. Let's move to the next task now.